A lot of our PCB assurance we do at the top level where we have a DSLR camera taking pictures of the entire board that's all in view at once. However, sometimes that approach is not feasible. I have an example board here which, see if I can show, some of these components are way too small to resolve effectively if you take one picture at a high level view. However, when we use this Leica microscope, it's a lot easier to resolve each of the individual components and the details that matter. This machine is capable of anywhere from 14 to 200 times zoom, depending on what level of magnification we need and how many separate pictures we can afford to take. We can then pan successively across this image and acquire photos of any components that we might need to figure out either what they are, whether there might be a defect, or things of that nature. So we can control illumination as well, and several other factors to enhance the quality of these images as needed.